In bringing Houdini's spirit back among us today, we must picture him in our minds and God sent the ray on that image to help you conjure up an image. I require some old film footage of Houdini and his early partner, Jack A. Watch me through and see how, even at this early age, Houdini captivates and amazes audiences with his illusions, tricks, and mystical magic. From this humble beginning, Houdini worked with a tireless passion to create increasingly more difficult illusions and death-defying escapes to captivate and amaze audiences around the world. During his life, Houdini was fascinated by and perhaps obsessed with death. Unfortunately, the one escape Houdini couldn't master was to escape death. On Halloween Day, 1926, Houdini died